What are prepositions? Pre means before and position means place. So, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in the same sentence. Now, let's look at the sentence here. The planets revolve around the sun. Here, the planets is a noun and around is a preposition which is placed before the noun, that is the sun, to show the relation of the planets with the sun. Now, let's have a look at some of the prepositions. Preposition of place. Look at the sentences here. The boy is at the door, a point in space. The man is in the car, inside. The lamp is on the table, touching the surface. The basket is under the table. Directly below, the man is behind the wall, at the back. Here, all these prepositions at, in, on, under and behind are called prepositions of place because they answer the question where. Preposition of time. Now, let's look at the following sentences here. The meeting will begin at 3. At is used with the point of time. Mona left school at 18. At is used with age. I am going to Delhi on Monday. On is used with days. I will be there in January. In is used with months. There will be no classes on 5th May. On is used with dates. Seema joined school in 1991. In is used with years. These prepositions are prepositions of time as they answer the question when. Let's look at the correct use of some prepositions. At, in. With reference to space, at is used for small places. In is used for large towns and countries. Let us look at some examples. I met her at the station. Here, the station is a small place, so we have used the preposition at with it. Soham lives at a village in Delhi. Here, again, village is a small place, so we have used at, and Delhi is a large city, so we have used in with it. Meera lives in America. America is a country, so we have used in with it. Wait for me at the school gate. Here, the school gate again is a small place, so we have used the preposition at with it. By, with. By is used with the doer of the action. With is used with the instrument with which the action is done. Now, let's look at some examples. The boar was killed by the farmer with a dagger. Here, the doer of the action is the farmer, so we have used the preposition by. And the instrument he used is a dagger, so we have used the preposition with. The tree was cut by the man with an axe. Here, again, the doer of the action is the man, so we have used the preposition by, and the instrument here is an axe, so we have used the preposition with. This letter was written by me with a pen. Here, the doer of the action is me, so we have used the preposition by, and the instrument is a pen, so we have used the preposition with. On, upon. On is often used with things at rest. Upon is used for things in motion. As we sat on the ground, the cat sprang upon the table. Here, sprang shows movement, so we have used the preposition upon. In, into. In implies state of rest, inside anything, while into denotes motion towards inside. As Tom is in his room, he fell into the river. Since and for. Since is used to denote a point of time in the past. For is used for a period of time. As in, the boys have been playing since 6 o'clock. Tom has slept for the past 4 hours. Between, among. Between is used in speaking of two persons or things. Among is used for more than two persons or things. As Sam stood between two girls. The boys quarreled among themselves. beside and besides. Beside means by the side of, besides means in addition to. As in, the girl walked beside her mother by the side of. Besides advising her, he helped her with the money. Here, besides means in addition to. After and in. After is used to denote the end of a period of time in the past, while in is used to denote the end of a period of time in the future. As in, she came after a week. A week was over. She will come in a week. That is in future. Now let's follow up the prepositions with some more examples. Sona dived into the river. Here, dive shows movement, so we have used the preposition into with it. Mona lives at Park Street in Dehradun. Here, Park Street is a small place, so we have used at, and Dehradun is a large city, so we have used in with it. Divide the money between the two. Here, we have mentioned two, so we have used the preposition between, because between is always used for two people or two things. Raina divided the cake among the children. As you all know that among is used for more than two things or more than two persons, so we have used among here because children is a plural noun. He came and sat beside me. Here, beside means next to. So, she came and sat beside me. Sunita gave her toffees besides giving her a cake. Here, besides means in addition to. That means in addition to giving a cake, she also gave toffees. Please report for duty at 7 o'clock. Whenever time is mentioned, we always use the preposition at with it. Tina waited at the gate. Again, the gate is a small place, so we have used the preposition at with it. Rohan joined his new job in March. Whenever month is mentioned, we always use the preposition in with it. It was 7 by my watch. Whenever the time is mentioned, we always say by. The dog sprang upon the cat. Here, sprang shows movement, so we use the preposition upon with it. I hope you have all enjoyed the session and you have understood